how to convert USDT to BTC. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. If it's your very first time, you're most welcome. My name is Martha K. Mirembe. This is Atutaka Solutions, where we do tech, business, and investment tips. Subscribe if this is the content you'd love to watch more often. All right, so you just sign into your Binance, and then you go to assets, funding, where your crypto is. If it's in the funding wallet, just go there. If it's in the spot wallet, just go there. So mine is in funding. I do these videos for illustration purposes only. Okay, so funding, then you click on the USDT, then you'll see here the word convert. All right, so we're going to convert our USDT to BTC. You can do that to any other coin. Okay, you can convert BTC to USDT, USDT to TRX, TRX to BTC, anyhow you want. Okay, because some of you be asking me these things and I'm like, okay, I just need to be making some of these videos like updated version, because I can't keep referring you to old videos. Yeah. Okay, so you click on that down drop menu for the currency that you want to do. Guys, forgive me, I have some flu, but we have to get things going. So as you can see, there are so many other cryptocurrencies. There's TRX, there's BTC, there's BNB, there's Anime. That's new, right? Okay, so I wanted to change to BTC. All right, so you now type in the amount of the USDT that you want to convert to BTC. You can convert any amount, even 0.00 I think so, USDT. Okay, so you see, I'm just showing you if you want to convert only 1 USDT, or you want to convert 10 USDT. Yeah, then they can give you the conversion rate, the current conversion rate. These things are always updated. Okay, they're live. All right, so they will show you the pre-screen how your thing will be, and if you're okay with it, you have to confirm in less than 5 seconds, 10 seconds, right? So, and it's done. It's free, guys. They're not going to charge you any conversion fees. Yeah, I hope that's clear. So that's all. As you can see, I wanted to convert all, so my 41.4 USDT has been converted to BTC. I clicked on maximum. Yeah, if you don't want to do maximum, then you can just type in manually the amount you want to try to convert. I hope you liked this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and loved ones, because on this channel all we do is sharing with love regardless. And yeah, you can check out other videos, BTC, crypto, trading, Cortex, so many other tech videos. Okay, remember to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, so you'll be informed whenever I upload a new video. So as you can see, those are our BTC points that we have. All right, until next time, bye.